Hi there, Doc Livingston here with eXp Realty and ParkBench today. It's my pleasure to interview Phil Brain. Phil owns the Town Square Cobbler here and Phil's Engraving here in beautiful downtown Maple Ridge at the Haney Place Mall. So I'm just going to take a few minutes. I'll just give you a quick scan of the store here. It's just lots of beautiful things in here. You know, shoes and shoe repairs and wallets and all kinds of good stuff. And over here we have all of the trophies and engraving and all of that. So there's two very important businesses in the community here. And I can tell you from my personal experience that Phil did a shoe repair for me and it was absolutely fabulous. Saved myself probably $100 on a new pair of shoes. So I'm very grateful for that. Without further introduction, here's Phil.
And my name is Phil. I'm the owner of Town Square Cobbler and Phil's Engraving. I've owned it for over 20 years and the shop's been here for over 43.
Phil, would you be able to maybe just take us through some of the equipment here? It all looks very interesting and just give us an idea of what it does.
Yeah, actually we got the shoe stretchers here. So everybody likes to think their feet are smaller than they should be.
Yeah.
So they bring them in and get them stretched out. We do knife and scissor sharpening.
Okay.
And then over here, the main machines for doing the shoe repair, for resoling, rehealing, build-ups, if you got one leg shorter than the other or need some modifications.
Yeah.
We do it all here. And then this is the trimmer. And then over here, we've got the press for when we have to press together.
Okay. So squeeze the shoe together.
It'll turn off.
So
and then we've got the stitchers. We've got an insole stitcher, an outsole stitcher.
So you're fully equipped.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. No,
not too many shops have these.
Yeah. So is the service pretty quick on shoe repair?
We like to do like ladies' heels. We can do the same day while they wait, and then soles and heels usually 4 days.
Because I know you did a job for me. You replaced the heels on a pair of shoes, and my God, they're just beautiful.
Good.
Yeah. No, really
Another happy customer.
Yeah. Good. Well, thank you very much, Phil.
Thank you.